You want to know how to do this kind of template edit as a music blogger? I'm going to be showing you a very simple step on how to go about it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to come to a website called pngwings.com just to download a particular png file that we'll be using. So you search for ripped page. Now you get something like this. Then I think this one is better. It looks like that. So this is better. Let's use this. Then you click on your download. They need to ask for you to verify something. You just click on this and follow the alphabet here. Then you copy them by clicking on it. So let's do that. We have at Z, where Z 2P. Then your download will start. Then you name it whichever way you want to name it. Okay. So all you do, you just name it ripped page. The next thing you are doing is go to Canva. If you don't have Canva on your phone, go and get it on Play Store. So you come to Canva. Okay, then you click on upload. Look for upload. Here is upload. Then you upload the rip page you just downloaded. Click on use in a new design. So now you know what we're going to do. Let's change the color of these PNG. So when we say PNG, we mean a file that doesn't have a background. Yeah. So let's change this to black. So what I'm gonna do is you click on adjust, look for color edit, then click on invert color. Completely it turns to black. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be adding cycle where your profile picture, or should I say your picture, would be. So click on element, then search for white cycle outline. So we need the one that will give us that white outline at the back. So you click on your search. So let's look for one that we're gonna like. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's click this. This is not fully white, so click on color, change it to white. Alright, you move, you increase the size. Okay, then let's add a picture. So to add your picture, it's very easy. Just come to gallery here. Okay, let me use a picture, a random picture. Let me use this. Click on add. So it's very easy. You know what I'm gonna do? let's first increase this. So you just pin it down. Sorry, you pin it down, just drag it to the middle here, it will enter into the cycle. That's it, as simple as that. Now you will notice that the white background is interfering with the white outline color for your profile picture or for your headers picture. So what I'm gonna do is, let's click on any part here, go to look for layers. Okay, now look at the background, white background here. Now when you tap it, that means you've selected the background. Then click on cancel, then look for color. Let's change it to red so that we'll be able to cut out the color when we're editing our video. So click on red and click on yes. Now if you notice that the rip page is kind of large, so that when we are cutting it, so that the edges will still come out, so we're going to reduce it. So let's reduce the size. So just to be sure if we selected it, let's still come to layers. Okay, we've selected it, so let's just reduce it. Yeah, reduce, drag it. I think this is better. We're going to reduce this a bit. Okay, I think this is okay. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is adding our name to it. So just come to text, click on add heading, add an heading. Okay, let's change the color of the text. Select, change the color of the text to white, so that we're able to see it better. Yeah, by Otis. Let's look for a better font. Let's just stick with this. Where is it? Let's just stick with this. Yeah, let's stick with this. This is good enough. Let's increase it to the desired size you want, anyhow you want it. Now let's add a subtext. Look at add a subheading. So let's write at. Okay, coming. Okay, at Mirabel. So we adjust it, increase the size. Then we don't want it to be bold like this, so let's reduce the transparency or get a font that is not that sharp. But just for this video, let's just reduce the transparency. Come to transparency, reduce. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a verification badge to it. So come to element, right, search for verification badge. So let's look for a free one. Anything you see crown, anytime you see crown on a particular element, that means you need to pay for it. So let's look for something that doesn't have it. Okay, just choose your desired one. Come here. So let's zoom so that we're able to correctly. So you do that, we reduce it, make it here, reduce it a bit, and I think we are good. So zoom out, by you know how to zoom out pictures and zoom in out. So we have this. Then the next thing we're gonna do is you're gonna download it. We're going to go to Pinterest to get another file. That's the background we use at the top of. It's not really necessary, but let's just get it down for those that we want to use it. that doesn't want to use just pure white background. So you search for wall aesthetic background. So you search for wall aesthetic background, you click on fall wallpapers aesthetic, then you choose whichever one best suits you. Okay, let's stick with this. I think this is okay. Oh, you just come to click here, then click on download image. Download it. For this video I'll be using CapCut because of I'm very good at it. So let's wait for it to load. Click on new video. Let's use any video for an example. So let me use this video. So let's add it. Now let's change the aspect ratio. So let's come here, aspect ratio, let's change it to 3:4. The reason why we're doing that is because we actually want our video to fit in and our text to fit in as well. We click on done. So let's change the background to white. So let's change our background to white. Click on background, click on color, click on white. Let's expand our video a bit. So the next thing we're gonna be doing is let's add the background we downloaded from Pinterest. So come to overlay, add overlay, click on photos, then add. Okay, so let's turn it. Okay, this is it. Okay, I think this is okay like this. Then the next thing we're adding is still come to the overlay. Let's add our header's head, what we made on Canva. So here's it. Now let's remove this red background that is there. What you're gonna do is let's go to remove background. This is it. Then click on chroma key. Then take it to where there is red background. I seen it. Aha. Then now clean up the edge a bit. Clean up the edge a bit. Feather the edge a bit. Intensity a bit. Now here we have it. Adjust it. Yeah. Or whichever way you want to do it. Maybe you want to add it here. So increase it to the last length of the video. For this video, let's just leave it here. Let me divide it. Let's delete this part. We don't need it. So stretch it to the last end of the video. So we have this. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is adding your text. Come to text, right, add text, just play with it whichever way you want it. You can either choose to use template, but I'm not using template. I'm not going to be using template. So let's write artificial intelligence. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's write AI resume. Something slant. Okay, let me use this, bring it here. Let's add another text. So you can just play around with it. I'm just playing around with it. Come to font. I'm just playing around with it, so you can do anything you want with yours as well. Come to style. Let me give it a glow. Then you extend the text to your end of the video, and that's it. Then you click on export. Then you are done. Want to do it in another way, you don't want to use those backgrounds, you just want to use a white background or red background, whichever way. You just come to CapCut. You don't want to even use what you downloaded from png.wings. You have to go back to Canva. That same text, that same stuff you edited. So what you're gonna do here is just delete this. Alright, just delete this. You have this, right? Save this. This same one. Let's delete the overlay. Delete. Now let's add another overlay, the new one we just exported. This. Okay. Now let's remove this background. Come to your remove background. Come to your red. I think we should leave it like this way. Okay, I think we should still add. Okay, let's just change the color. let's change the color of the background to, maybe you want to play around to something. Okay, let's change it to black. Let's change it to black. This text, let us readjust it or write another one. Let's just write another one. Now you see you have this. Let's now adjust it. Let's adjust this. You can leave it here like this. Or let's put it in the middle. Okay, then let's write our text. These are the simple two ways to have that blogging template. So anytime you want to edit, you just come back to the same video. If you are using InShot or CapCut, come back to that same video, just change the video and change the text. That's just what you'll be doing. And make sure, if you are using CapCut, make sure this option is off. Do you know why? Okay, now for instance, you on it. Each time you click on a particular video, maybe this video, now let me trim it. Let me trim this video so that you see what I'm talking about. Okay, now if you click this video, almost everything, let me say everything that is attached to this will disappear. Look at it. You look at it. Can you see that the text disappeared? That text that was under it now. Let me press back. Now, so off it. When you off it and you delete it, nothing will change. Can you see? Nothing changed. So let me press back, undo. Now, these are the simple ways to achieve this kind of videos. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna be releasing more content on video editing for musicians. And if you are not a subscriber, I urge you to subscribe to this YouTube channel right now.